everyone, it's Eggmas.
Which egg will you open today, Zoha?
This one.
This one? Okay, let's see what it is.
All right.
Is this harder to peel?
I opened it yesterday.
Yep. Oh yeah, you did it.
I'm opening the way I opened yesterday.
Yep. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh, okay, here, I'll take the chocolate. Let's see what it is.
Okay. Well, a lot of pieces.
Yep. What do you think it is? Can you show everyone first? Ooh, what does it look like?
I don't know.
Let's see, how do we make this? Look how cute he looks. Can you put your finger a bit higher first? Ooh, yeah, he looks really cute.
Yeah.
So you've got a dragon bracelet from yesterday, and you've got a nice little bear ring. You can wear it to a party. You'll be like an animal girl. Isn't this cool?
What is the animal doing?
I think he's just looking at everyone. Why don't you put on a little show for us? Yeah.
Today.
Yeah. Should we start the show?
Bear went over the mountain, the bear went over the mountain, the bear went over the mountain to see what he could see, and all that he could see, and all that he could see was the other side of the mountain, the other side of the mountain, the other side of the mountain was all that he could see. And the bear went over the river, the bear went over the river, the bear went over the river. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to
Subscribe.
yeah, bye.